So this is my sister's 2017 RS. A little bit of a beast this thing is. It's got just under 50,000 on the clock, 50,000 kilometres, so 49,900 and something. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to tip it over to the 50 mark just by having this little drive. This is probably the closest in feeling to my Fiesta, although of course it's got a fair bit more power. Does some great pops and bangs too, and of course it's a different character from the others, the other three, because it's got the all-wheel drive for starters, and it just feels a bit more hardcore. You know, it's got these seats which I love actually. They're very stiff though, stiff bolsters, and quite hard when you combine that with the drive. But you know, that's what you got to like in a performance car. They're the compromises. You're not going to buy it. You're not going to buy it for softness, that's for sure. But you do sit pretty high up. That's the one thing. Let's see if I can get this seat. I don't think it goes down any further than where it's at, but you kind of do feel like you're perched up a bit. So the driving position isn't fantastic. I think, you know, that's been noted throughout all of the reviews. You know, it's part of the course with the RS. But I love the colour. It's nitrous blue. It's got a real sparkle in the sunshine. It's very nice. I've got it in sports mode at the moment, and I think there's a harder suspension setting than what I've got it in now. But yeah, I'm not going to muck around with that too much. It's really the point of this is really just to do a comparison, and it's not a who wins at all. These are four completely different cars, and any comparison you know wouldn't be relevant or fair. But nonetheless, it's interesting to drive them back to back for four Ford performance vehicles ranging from 2013 to 2017, this one, and the two 20. Whoop, there we go, wipers. Jumping in and out of cars that have got them on the different side. But yeah, so the two 2020 cars and the two older ones. But you know, this RS 2017. It still stacks up pretty good, in my opinion, and my sister loves it. Yeah, she hadn't really had performance cars before this one, so I was quite surprised. I'm used to the clutch on this. Yes, I was quite surprised when she expressed interest in buying this, but I actually tried to warn her off a little bit as well. I'd seen some, you know, reviews saying, gee, it's really hard, it's you know, the suspension is hard, it's going to break your back, blah blah blah. But she actually absolutely loves it. Enjoys the firm suspension and the power, and frankly likes the looks too. You know, you get lots of boy racers pulling up to you, the lights, etc., wanting to have a go. And she loves that aspect as well. And why wouldn't you? That's why you buy this sort of car. If you don't like that sort of stuff, well, you buy a bit of a sleeper that's not so in your face, I suppose. But you know, part of the whole ethos of this car is that it's, you know, it's in your face. The colour, the spoiler, you know, all of that sort of stuff. And why not? You pop some bags there. Love it. Yeah, it's got a decent amount of speed, this thing, and there's a bit of a sure-footedness, sure-footedness, I should say. I need to concentrate on my heel toe technique. I'm not much of a driver at all. I do enjoy driving, but I'm no expert. And with my Fiesta, I need to get better at that heel toe because there's plenty of circumstances where you want to give a little bit of a rev, but also keep control over the brakes. So yeah, I'll get better with time. So yeah, look, it's a bit of a beast, this thing. I really enjoy it when I get to take it out for the occasional squirt. It's a whole lot of fun.